All right, here we go. This video is going to focus on using lighting to up our marketing game online. So if you look at our website, and if we're marketing this property, look how dark this photo is of the kitchen, right? Can we enhance it with some lighting or some updates that will make it more appealing? Okay, so this is how I'll do it, and Google is just one way to do it. I'm sure more techie people would have a better understanding of different or free softwares. This is just one opportunity. So I can click upload, go to the computer, and I've actually already found the folder, right? So I could select all these. I could hit Control A or select one, and Control A, it's going to highlight it. That's going to import these in. Now I'm actually going to probably create a little album of this, will make it easier to find. So as soon as it uploads, it'll say, hey, and I will say, add to album. What am I going to call it? New album. I'm going to call it 511. What is it here? 511 East 1st Avenue. Okay. All right, that will make it much easier for me to find, right? Now I've got these photos in here, right? Now what I can do is I can click on it. Once again, this looks dark, right? If I click on this, now I can start to edit the actual photo. So I can go light, I can go really bright, right? Or I can go dark, right? There are times when you probably want to do both. So maybe we don't want to go all the way light, maybe we don't want to enhance the color too much, but I also like pop too, because it will define some things and make it look cooler. So maybe you have to do a combination to tone back the color, take a little bit of pop, not too much. Definitely can lighten things up, okay? Now if I click done, now what looks better? Actually, I thought it would tell me. Let's do this one as well. So if I click edit, once again I can click this little bar, I can lighten it up, I can give it a little bit more color, I can give it a little more pop, and then look, I can see click and hold to compare. Do you like that one or that one? What looks more appealing? Lighter, brighter, in 100% of the circumstances are going to be more appealing. I'm going to click done. I'm going to save that. Let me go to the next one. This one, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great. Let's just contrast the two. Let's go lighter. Okay, what's better, that or that? I think it's pretty telling what's better. I'm going to click done to save it. Go to the next one. Is this a dark hallway? It is. It deserves better. Is this a simple, quick trick? Yes. It is 100% a little bit of trick, but what do we do when we hire a photographer? We're hiring them for their editing skills. What's better, that or that? It's clearly that. Let's go to the next photo. I mean, it just shows either there's no light or it's just very dark in the property. Once again, it's really simple to do. And this is what we'd like you to do on every property. We want every photo to look better. This is marketing, right? We only have a few seconds to capture that person that prospective tenant. And so we need as much marketing windows that will create as much intrigue that they're going to want to rent this place or want to make a site visit, right? We're not trying to fool them, but we need to make the property look better than it is. Here, I mean, still, it's not bright enough. It's not light enough. This is really simple to do. Lighting, a little bit of color, a little bit of pop. That's pretty simple, and this takes, a few brief moments to do. Dark, right? You've got light coming through the window. These cameras are only so good. We can enhance that. We can make, not too much, right? Too much is probably a little too much. That just looks a million times better. Dark again. You seen a pattern here? This is really simple to do. Maybe you want less pop, I don't know. Looks so much better. Let's go to the next one. Not as drastic, but there's still some differences. We haven't found that kitchen photo yet, have we? Okay, here's a one. This one is going to be easy breezy. Gives it some texture, right? So much better. This is not a great photo, A, because you're really tall in this photo, so it's showing a lot of ceiling. We may not use this in our marketing period, but for the just the example of making it look good, looks so much better. Look how much brighter this can be. Less pop, a little less color. It just looks better to me. It's already done. Look at this one. This one's going to be drastic. Just shedding some more light in there. We're actually going all the way bright on that one. Just enhance it just a bit. You can't tell me that doesn't look better. You can actually see the hood, right? You can actually see the countertop and the mess that's on it, right? You can actually see the tile floor. You can actually see the reflection. There's brick right here, right? This just makes a difference. So let's use these tools, and these are free tools, to edit our marketing, which I think will increase our conversion, less time on market. Okay, much. So what I failed to mention is once you've got these pictures in here, you may have to import them back into the drive or whatever folder we're needing, right? So I'd probably select them here, right? The photos that we're going to put back. We didn't even do them all, but we did an overwhelming majority of them, right? And now I'm going to, let's see here. May have to download them. So they're going to download. It's going to be in a zip file, right? And then once those are done, it's going to pop up. And I'm going to extract them all. Now I'm going to browse and put them in the folder they need to go. So I'm going to go to G Drive, Shared Drives, Real Estate and Rental, pick folders where I got them, and I don't know how you guys want to do this. I'm just going to label them edited photos. Boom. And then I'm going to select the folder, extract. They're all going to go in there, right? So maybe there's a quicker process to do this, but this is a million times better. Okay?